there is another aeroplane. Wow, these people living here. Oh, come down. Oh, oh, cool. Oh, wow. Let's go. Yes? You want us to pet you? So cute. You are so cute. Okay, show us around. These people, they cannot be bothered to buy buckets when they can hang the nightmare. What a nightmare. Oh my gosh. Which aircraft is this? Servus. That is what is it called? Austrian airline. The people living here have chosen the life of aviation. I think all these are pilots and cabin crew. Hallo, ihr Lieben und herzlich willkommen bei Living in Vienna, where we spotlight everything that's going on here in Vienna. In this moment, we are actually in the worst, and nothing but the worst neighborhood. We are in the worst neighborhood, and we are going to show you exactly what we are talking about. So we are going to start all the way from there, the beginning of this street, and let us know if you really agree if this is actually the worst neighborhood in Vienna. Okay. How about we go all the way back there and see exactly what's going on? Why do we think this place is the worst and nothing but the worst? Huh? Privatstraße.
Das Begehen mit Hunden und Befahren. Okay. But we can walk here.
Okay.
But maybe people don't want to be filmed here.
Okay, so I will. Looks good. And here is, I think were we here before? Our
No,
first,
no, we've never been here.
not before here. It looks like we've been here before. Okay. The aircraft, hi. I can tell you what stage of flying that is.
Oh, okay, just part was private. Okay.
This,
Just 50
only
meters
this
private.
part is private. So if I can tell you, this plane is on descent for sure. Of course, everybody's seatbelt is fastened. You cannot contact the pilot at all. This is a time when the pilots cannot be disturbed. And also during this time, you see there's another one coming there. It's like after every 5 seconds. Yeah.
You know, now not so many aircraft are flying now.
Yeah,
So they're
yeah,
still
you can
coming back-
imagine.
They are still coming back from Corona.
Yeah. So during the descent usually is about 40 minutes. It's usually about 40 minutes. And it probably would start here in Austria. It will probably start in another country, you know,
Yeah, I
in the
know.
neighboring country. And so you cannot, as a flight attendant, you cannot call, there is no way you can contact the pilot. At this point on the landing, we usually say it is inevitable. Unless the pilots are contacted by the traffic control.
Oh, there's again private.
Yeah.
But you can drive properly.
Unless the pilots are contacted by the air traffic control, or there is actually an emergency, which normally at this point in time is, it just takes a lot of the skill from the pilots to be able to avert it. Also during this time, I don't know if I should say this, but there's a point when the pilot will say, cabin crew, prepare for landing. That's usually 10 minutes to landing. What normally this means, these are the aviation secrets that passengers normally don't know. Oh, okay, there is a pond here. Or is it still?
Yeah, it's
It's still where we were.
kanal.
So, the other one is coming. There is another aeroplane. Wow, these people living here. I thank God I'm not them. Let's praise the Lord that we are not the people living here. So 10 minutes before landing, the pilot will announce, cabin crew, prepare for landing. Usually this means that we have to we call it a silent review. So in this silent review, you're seated on your seat. So you take your half brace position, you know? The half brace is in preparation for anything, in preparation for the worst. And so you sit upright, put your hands on your knees, and the legs are firmly on the ground. Both legs, both feet are firmly on ground, and your head is upright. And in that moment, you are looking at what exactly is this door I'm seated right next to, okay? And so you are looking at what is this door that I'm seated next to? What is this aircraft we are flying? Because cabin crew have a bad memory because of the cabin pressure. So you have to think about, what is this? What is this? This is what aircraft? This is DHL. This is actually DHL. Yeah. It would be nice to work for DHL. For DHL, you don't meet any passengers. You're just dealing with cargo. Such a nice job. And so you're looking at the door to see exactly what is this door I'm seated right next to, and what are the it's called what? What are the commands you must make in case there is an emergency landing? And you're looking outside the little window that's usually provided for the cabin crew. We find a cat. Puss, Puss, you are so cute. Oh, come down. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Let's go. Yes? You want us to pet you? So cute. You are so cute. Okay, show us around your town. Come. Yes, let's go. You're gonna show us around, okay? Oh my goodness. We're still here. Come. You coming? Bus, do you normally just follow strangers like this? I think she would like to be petted. This is always happening to us. Come, let me pet you. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. You really are so cute. Okay, show us. Show us around your street. Let's go.
Very nice, very beautiful.
Yeah, come, let's go. You're so beautiful. Come with us. We're stealing you in this moment. Okay. Wiedersehen. Tschüss. She knows not to go so far away. Okay, I don't think she will follow us like the other one.
Very interesting. I think on this side, other rules for the garbage and on the left side.
Oh, okay. Maybe because here it's next to the water.
You see, all these people have these
Yellow papers.
yellow papers here. And on the other side, you just have this big buckets.
The buckets. Ah, okay, these buckets here. They also have the buckets. But I think these people, they cannot be bothered to buy buckets when they can hang the dirt. Yeah.
But I thank God I don't have to live here.
We lift our hands up and praise the Lord and thank God that we don't live here. Oh my
What
goodness.
a nightmare. That's the next aircraft.
What a nightmare. Okay, so I think that's... I don't know if you're interested in my story of the cabin crew, but let me stop it here and say, Pussy, tschüss. Tschüss, Wiedersehen. Oh my gosh. Which aircraft is this? Servus. That is, what is it called? Austrian airline. But this is a nice neighborhood anyway. It's a nice neighborhood. It's a very nice neighborhood. The people living here have chosen the life of aviation. I think all these are pilots and cabin crew. Okay, tschüss, Wiedersehen, Koaheri.